Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into a special DIY project, creating a dazzling stone trimmed bridal hand fan that sparkles. So let's get started. First, we need to assemble our plastic skeleton. To assemble our plastic skeleton, apply a line of glue to each joint and carefully piece it together. Apply another line of glue and place the next joint over the previous one. Continue to repeat this process until you have joined all the joints together. Make sure the skeleton is securely assembled and let it dry completely. Now that our skeleton is ready, it's time to cover the base with the fabric. For this, I will be using organza fabric. Cut it into a large piece enough to cover the entire skeleton. This will serve as a canvas for our stone embellishment. Apply glue to the back of the skeleton, then place it on the organza fabric. Do this for both sides of the skeleton, then cut out the excess material around the skeleton. Now apply glue so the other part will stick to the plastic skeleton. Cut the excess material around the skeleton. And once you have your fabric ready, it's time to bring on the sparkle. Take your measuring tape, measure across the arc. With that, cut your stone trimming. Take your stone trimming and cut it into smaller sections. You can cut the trimmings into various lengths to create a dynamic and eye-catching design on your fan. Now this step is optional. I decided to cinch the edge of the organza fabric to prevent fraying because this is organza fabric. But as I said, it is completely up to you. Now, apply a thin layer of glue onto the organza fabric, ensuring coverage on the area where you want the trimming on the hand fan surface. Next, start attaching the stone trimmings, the cut stone trimmings onto the fabric, following your desired pattern or design. Take time with this step, positioning the stones precisely to achieve the look you envision. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for considering that. Now for this design, we'll be individually cutting the stone trimmings and delicately placing them in between the pattern created. The single pieces can also be placed like shimmering dots on the back of the hand fan for a subtle yet enchanting design. Now, once you've covered the fabric with stones to your satisfaction, allow the glue to dry completely. Now you may wish to leave the back like this, or as I said, place the cut trimmings like delicate dots on the back, or give the fan an entirely different design. It is up to you to explore and let your creativity shine. And there you have it, a breathtaking bridal hand fan adorned with elegant stone trimmings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring tutorials.